Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word for today is confident. It's a B1 level adjective meaning sure, self-assured. Let's unpack that, shall we? When someone is confident, they feel certain about their abilities, qualities, or ideas. It's about having faith in yourself. Think about it like this. You've practiced a presentation many times, you know your material inside and out, and you walk into the room feeling confident that you'll do a great job. That's the essence of the word. Now, let's dive into some synonyms. Words that share a similar meaning. A great synonym for confident is sure. For example, I am sure I locked the door. Another synonym is self-assured. We could say, she walked into the interview looking self-assured and ready to impress. Yet another synonym is assured. An example would be, he felt assured of his victory after a strong performance. Finally, a good synonym is certain. For example, I am certain that this is the right decision. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the coin, antonyms. Words that have the opposite meaning of confident. A common antonym for confident is insecure. For example, he felt insecure about his public speaking skills. Another antonym is doubtful. We could say, she was doubtful about her chances of winning the competition. Another antonym is unsure. For example, he was unsure of the answer, so he asked for help. Another suitable antonym is apprehensive. We might say, she felt apprehensive about the upcoming exam. A final antonym is hesitant. For example, he was hesitant to voice his opinion in the meeting. So, how can you use confident in everyday life? Well, it's a super versatile word. You can use it to describe yourself, other people, or even your feelings about a situation. For instance, you might say, I feel confident that I'll get the job after such a positive interview. Or you could say, she's a very confident speaker, always captivating the audience. In a more general sense, you might hear someone say, he has a confident demeanor. Or the team is going into the game with a confident attitude. Here are some more examples of confident in sentences and phrases. Be confident in your abilities and never give up. She is a confident young woman with a bright future. He gave a confident presentation to the board of directors. The company is confident that the new product will be a success. It's important to project a confident image, even when you're nervous. He approached the task with a confident stride. I'm confident in your ability to succeed. She's confident that she can handle the challenge. With practice, you'll become more confident. A confident leader inspires trust. Another usage might be, despite the setbacks, she remained confident in her vision. Or consider this scenario. He gave a confident smile as he accepted the award. You might even hear someone say, just be confident and everything will be all right. Another example, she is a confident swimmer and enjoys the ocean. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Confident is a B1 level adjective that means sure, self-assured. Some synonyms include sure, self-assured, assured, and certain. Antonyms include insecure, doubtful, unsure, apprehensive, and hesitant. You can use confident to describe yourself, others, or your feelings about a situation. It's a powerful word that reflects a positive mindset. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks so much for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word confident helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English too. Also, I'd love to see how you use the word confident. Create your own sentence using confident and share it as a comment under the video. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and stay confident.